Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot find the reset option on your TCL 32V5C TV. So the reset option would normally appear in device preferences in settings at the very bottom of this list. But if you cannot see it right here, that means that your device is right now in the HODL mode. And in order to disable the HODL mode, you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control to open the TV settings sidebar, then select picture mode, picture menu, and here navigate to advanced settings, then go to brightness settings, then select contrast, and using the digits on your remote's keypad, provide the following combination: 1950. After that, select HODL menu. You can use up and down arrow keys to navigate and OK button to select. OK, I mean the central D-pad key. And after that, press the right arrow key on your D-pad to disable HODL mode. And to apply changes, first let's leave this menu by pressing the home button and then hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. Select OK and wait until your TV turns off, and wait until the LED light dims down a little, and press power button once again to relaunch your TV. Then wait until it relaunches. And now let's go back to settings and check if the reset option appeared right there. So let's go back to settings, device preferences, and navigate to the very bottom of the list, and here it is. So right now you can perform the factory reset of your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.